Today I'm going to show you how to play Wagon Wheel by Darius Rucker. So before we get started, note that the recording of the song, alright, has a capo on the 2nd fret. But for our purposes today, we're going to play the song without the capo. So, once you learn the song and wish to play along with the recording of the song by Darius Rucker, you can slap a capo on the 2nd fret and play along. But for now, no capo. Alright, so this song has a swing feel. And what that means is your down strums are twice as long as your up strums. So, instead of strumming down, up, it's going to be down, up. Alright? Your downs are longer than your ups. So the strumming pattern to this song is down, 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 up. Alright? Say it with me. Down, 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 up. Again. Down, 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 up. Alright? The chords are G, D, E minor, and C. If you don't know those chords, check out my chord videos from last week. I'll link them below. Alright, so first chord G, strumming goes down, 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 up. Then D, down, down, up. E minor, then G, down, down, up, D, down, down, up, and C, down, down, up, and C again. Down. Alright, the chord pattern is G, D, E minor, C, G, D, C, C. And that pattern continues through the whole song. Alright? So let's play it once through. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. All right. Once more, a little faster. Twice through with some lyrics. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock me, mama, rock away, go. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Mama, rock me. Again. The song continues. One more time for a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, one more thing to note, the 2nd strum of that pattern is accented, meaning you play it a bit louder, and the 1st strum is a little shorter and quieter, right? So it's like a short, and then a long, louder one, alright? And then down, up, down, up. Alright, again, that's like down, 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 up, down. Alright? If you find these videos helpful and informative, you can show your appreciation by leaving a comment in the comment section, or giving me an upvote. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you have any requests, leave them in the comments. Thanks.